Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the Safari Park Beekse Bergen. This is the way we say Beekse Bergen. Beekse Bergen. So there isn't really an emphasis in this name, and sometimes we do exclude the last N, which would sound like this. Beekse Bergen. Beekse Bergen. But if you want to pronounce every letter, which you can, it's called Beekse Bergen. Beekse Bergen. Safari Park Beekse Bergen. Beekse Bergen is the largest wildlife zoo of the Benelux region. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!